You have an idea, and that idea you have is to solve a problem. And you think about that problem, you work through it, and then you develop a solution to that problem. And then from that solution, you deliver a product. And that product grows and reaches many people. And from that product and that growth, you generate revenue. You generate lots of revenue. And then you take it one step further and you put it on the blockchain. You put it on the blockchain because you want to rewrite tomorrow. You want to be a part of the future, of what's to come. But it all starts with an idea. It all starts with an idea so you can get building on that. And that's what the Tokenize Your Assets course is about. That is what the course is about. Taking your idea and launching it. It's going to be taught by me, Bruce. You guys already in the community know who I am. But for those who don't, 12 years in digital forensics. I'm an entrepreneur, an educator, certified digital asset advisor, and an author. And in this course that will get launched soon, you're going to learn transformational skills to earn money. To earn money. You're going to go from idea to product, from product to customer, as well as marketing, as well as funding, with dedicated live sessions and much more. So what you need to do is in the link in the description below, there's going to be a link. That link will lead you to this page. All you have to do is put your name, put your email to confirm that you're interested in learning transformational skills to make money. Again, transformational skills to make money. And these skills, even if you choose not to apply it to an idea you have, you can apply it to investment opportunities you're seeking. So click the link in the description, put your name, put your email, and get ready to take your idea to the next level. Quick pitch, prop chain, founders, product, customers. So we're going to start with the founders. They have veteran expertise and they're driven. They're veterans. They have expertise in this field and they're driven. Here's the team right here. Big team. It was founded, though, by Robin Ubogs and Alexander. Man, I can't pronounce his last name, but this is a Luxembourg company. This company is a European Luxembourg company. Together, they bring really a combination of knowledge and vision for their mission, which is to digitize the entire real estate value chain. They want to make real estate investing more accessible, transparent, and efficient. They're hitting all the notes that you hear from like a BlackRock, from JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, about their utilization of blockchain, especially as it pertains to real estate. Their ecosystem is built around three main ventures, which leads me to the product now. So we got prop.com, which is their platform for the whole digitization for real estate experience. It allows users to invest directly in a pre-selected real estate asset portfolio. They have a user-friendly mobile app, and they utilize tokenization to facilitate fractional ownership and provide monthly rental income payouts to investors. And this is one of the benefits of blockchain. This is, they could do it, when they set up these funds in a traditional way. Uh, those monies are generally paid out, sometimes monthly, quarterly, but through blockchain, because the friction is taken out, it can be in, weekly. It could even, it could go as far as and do daily. Uh, and so, yeah, let me keep it moving. Then they have Prop Chain Cloud. This is their hybrid technology stack that drives the digitization for the real estate management, the finance, and the trading component of all this. They tokenize real estate, commodities, and IP, intellectual property, for those who aren't familiar. Um, and they do all this with the blockchain. And then they have Prop Chain Ventures, which is their incubation program. So they're trying to support prop tech innovators financially, so it's kind of, you're starting to see a theme with this. These founders in particular had started an investment firm eventually got up to managing over 30 billion AUM, assets under management. So they pretty much have followed each other throughout this whole space, and it's been in the real estate space, by the way. So they're trying to do this here. A16Z is doing something similar with an incubator hub as well. So moving along, the customer, they're targeting everyone because you can now. The value of the smart contract, you can code the smart contract to say, this income threshold can invest in these real estate products. This income threshold can invest in these real estate products. So they're targeting the retail investor, the institutional investor, and the tech savvy investors. Um, that's really who they're targeting there. Now the tokenomics, they basically have it's well designed. So it's Prop C, and that's the utility token. And Prop C itself is used within the prop chain ecosystem for things such as transaction fees, staking, and governance. And if you're a holder of Prop C, you can participate in the decision-making process through the prop chain DAO that they have. You also have staking and rewards with the token with Prop C. So, and they are designing the token for long-term holders. So they want you to stake and hold. Uh, and this obviously supports the growth of the ecosystem that they're developing. And then product fees. So Prop C tokens can be used to pay for services within the ecosystem, adding, I guess, convenience for the user. And then obviously compliance. That's their main thing, compliance and security. All their transactions are secure and compliant with the regulatory standards in mind. So that's their token design mechanism. Don't want any gotchas there. So essentially, I would say the investment thesis is, you can read this, but I have some key points. They are being innovative. They're leveraging the blockchain technology to tokenize real estate, allowing for fractional ownership and enhanced liquidity in the real estate market. They're allowing more market accessibility by simplifying the investment process through a user-friendly combination of Web 2 and Web 3 tech, to make it accessible for both institution and retail. Regulatory, they're checking it off there. They prioritize that actually with regulatory adherence and employs advanced security measures to give investor confidence. Because when people are putting large sums of money into this, or even considering the platform for tokenization, they want to know that things are buttoned up. So that's part of their strategy. And then growth potential. So, with their focus on the real estate market, which is, $1 trillion real, asset class, um, their approach positions itself for, growth, in my opinion. And they capture the value across all segments of the value chain within real estate. So thank you. And